So Black Friday is a special holiday where we all go out to these huge stores and work on our stiff arms that we've been practicing for the past couple of months just to make some space to go out and buy that 70-inch Samsung TV that we've been wanting this whole time. Conveniently, the day after we all hold hands and be thankful for what we already have. Pretty ironic, and of course I participate as well online mostly. But if you're going out to buy things during Black Friday, that means you're mentally conscious about your finances because you already know that you're saving money. So you're winning already. But are there other ways to save money during Black Friday? And this is an investing channel, so how would you go about investing during Black Friday? Make sure you watch the video, this is a good one. What's up guys, my name is Darren Jackson. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. And I wanted to make this quick video to list out some things on what I plan on doing to save more money during Black Friday and even invest money into the stock market during Black Friday. Since I've been so conscious about finances ever since I started this YouTube channel and prior, I've been thinking a little deeper about things such as this, and I've been really excited to make this video. Make sure you watch this whole video because I have 4 different tips on how to save money and invest money into the stock market during Black Friday and going into Cyber Money and then some. So let's get started. So the first thing on my list is if you're already planning on purchasing something during Black Friday, make sure that you can consider an investment to yourself. For example, a couple of weeks ago, I bought a new computer from Micro Center. Now, I bought it a couple of weeks ago because they started their Black Friday sales early. I consider that an investment to myself because I use that to help me edit and render and upload videos onto YouTube for this channel. Prior to that, I was using a laptop that I got in college in 2015. It was primarily used for my engineering programs, and even then it was pretty slow. I needed something with more RAM, graphics card, all that nerdy stuff. And now, since I have that computer, rendering takes only 5 minutes and editing time is cut in half. I consider that an investment in the long run because now I'll have more time and more of a window to do little tweaks to the video, upload more videos, and hopefully gain the attention of my current audience, which thank you by the way, and hopefully attract attention to more people that can join this fan base, which will hopefully get me monetized at some point in life, which I can then use the money to pay off that computer and then some. See what I mean? Now that was the first tip. I'm gonna connect all these together by using the computer example. Now before their Black Friday sale, it was $7.99 and I got $100 off, so it came up to be $6.99. Keep that in mind. The second thing you can do is when you're purchasing stuff, especially if it's online, definitely look for external sites you can use that will give you additional discounts. For example, I believe Honey does this to where it finds discounts on things you can buy online. And something that I often use, a website called Rakuten, which I believe is either formerly or also called Ebates, is a website that gives you different sales, additional sales on different products that they use as cash back in the form of a check that they'll mail out to you when you reach a certain amount. So let's say, for example, I went on Ebates or Rakuten and I found that Micro Center was a partner of theirs and they were offering 1% off on all computers. So combined with the current discount that Micro Center was already giving, that takes my price now from $6.99 to $6.92 and about a penny. So that's even more money I'm saving. The third thing you can do is use a credit card. Now I say that as a disclaimer because you want to make sure you're very responsible with the credit card, and obviously this one will only apply to credit cards that give you cashback rewards. Speaking of which, make sure you check out Jacob Fisher's YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave a link down below. He talks about a lot of investment things, options trading, but he also primarily talks about different types of credit cards. Make sure you check out his channel and see which one suits you the best that might help out with situations like this. But anyway, that's definitely beneficial because if you have a credit card, they'll give you extra discounts, especially with online shopping. You can add on to the discounts you've already had. For example, let's say I also use a credit card, which I currently have, that gives me about 1% off on anything else. And if I tackle that on with a computer purchase while using Ebates or Rakuten, while on top of the discount that Micro Center has, my price is going from $6.92 to about $6.85. So that's even more money I'm saving. And if you do all this, it's gonna save you a lot more money. And for my particular example, I would have saved about $113. And where can I put that money? Of course I can put that money in the stock market, and that's the fourth thing you can do. Not just invest into the stock market, but try to invest it into stocks that you think will benefit from Black Friday. And I'm sure there are a lot, but for example, I know one off the top of the head is Target. Target is like the bougie Walmart, as I always call it. And they actually announced another third quarter earnings rise, which is at least the second one in a row for this year. And that's primarily because they signed a new deal with the makeup store Ulta, which they will have now in a lot of their Target stores. So if you're into that, then congratulations. And they also have started using their Black Friday sales a lot earlier, which I really think is convenient in 2 different ways, because for one, it allows people to go in whenever they want, which will help decrease the crowd, which is really important, especially during this time, because two, there's this worldwide pandemic. So you definitely want to decrease the fear that people have of going into a Black Friday sale with hundreds and potentially thousands of people inside of this one store while there's a line going out the door. So they said, hey, let's just do this sale for a longer period of time. And that's why their stock price keeps increasing. I think it's about $170 per share right now. And again, I'm sure there's a lot of other companies, maybe even like Best Buy, that are benefiting from this Black Friday sale. So not only did you buy something that's going to be an investment to you that will hopefully make you money in the long run that you'll be able to pay off on top of that, you're getting discounts with external websites like Honey and Rakuten, which I'm not a sponsor of, I promise. You're using your credit card wisely, that's giving you more cash back, and you're using that money to invest in stocks that will benefit from this and definitely benefit in the long run, which will then make you more money. It's a good day, it's a good day. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know what you think about all these steps. If you have any additional steps, please feel free to leave comments below. Make sure you leave a like on this video because it helps out this small channel. It really does. And what are you guys planning on buying during Black Friday? Whether it's something that will benefit you in the long run or it's just something you really wanted, because honestly, I do that too sometimes. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, take care.